What are the reasons for acquiring gold and silver? First, it helps you keep your money's value over a long time. When there's ongoing inflation, money becomes less valuable. People think that precious metals like gold can protect your money from losing value due to inflation. Research from 1791 to 2010 supports this idea for gold, but not necessarily for silver. Shorter studies, like the period from 1990 to 2016, show different results in different countries. Gold has proven to be good at protecting against inflation, especially in places like Canada and the USA when their economies were not doing well. But in some countries during the study period, it didn't work as well. You can find more information on this on our website. An interesting example of this is that about 100 years ago in the 1920s, you could buy a new Ford car, Model T, for $300 or 15 ounces of gold. Now, with gold's price at around $1,580 per ounce, 15 ounces of gold can still buy you a new Ford. Although it's a much better car in terms of technology, but it's no longer priced at $300. Regarding product selection, if you've decided to invest in physical gold and silver, the recommended starting point is with products such as 1-ounce coins or bars. For gold, focusing on weights beginning at 1 ounce and similarly, for silver, starting with 1-ounce coins is advisable. This choice has reasoning behind it. Smaller bars or coins carry a higher per gram cost from dealers. Additionally, 1-ounce coins are the most recognizable, easiest to verify for authenticity, and have higher future resale potential. Although larger bars offers reduced margins, selling such bars promptly can be challenging due to their substantial weight and value. Trusted dealers typically offer buyback options for their products, but circumstances might arise where you'd want to sell to a private individual. This could make selling a high-value bar complicated due to its lower liquidity. Furthermore, the elevated value of larger bars increases the risk of counterfeiting. This risk can be mitigated by purchasing from reputable dealers. When selecting products, it's also vital to consider the type of coin. For investment purposes, the focus should be on gold and silver bullion coins and bars, steering clear of numismatic coins, collector's items, and limited editions. These types of coins often carry a higher cost than their metal value and can be challenging to sell later. Similar caution should be exercised when considering precious metals in the form of jewelry or decorative items. Numismatic investment is only advisable for those with a deep understanding of the field. A list of trusted gold and silver refineries can be accessed through the LBMA website's Good Delivery List section. This list is linked on our website. Some well-known investment coins for gold include the South African Krugerrand, Canadian Maple Leaf, American Eagle, American Bison, and Austrian Philharmonic. Notably, coins like the Krugerrand and American Eagle might have added metals for durability, making them slightly larger and heavier while still containing 1 ounce of pure gold. Transitioning to the price of gold and silver, when checking the current market price online, what's typically displayed is the spot price, reflecting the commodity's value. However, the price of 1-ounce coin or bar is higher. This is due to additional factors such as minting cost, transportation manufacturer's margin, and dealer's margin being included in the price of a gold coin. The price difference between a 1-ounce coin or bar and the spot price should be relatively small, typically a few percent. When comparing offers from different dealers, it is important to examine the margin over the spot price. This margin can often be lowered by purchasing gold or silver in larger quantities. For instance, buying silver coins in sets of 20 or 25 may reduce the per coin cost. Immediate acquisition might come at a higher price compared to waiting for delivery. Selecting a reputable precious metal dealer is crucial. Opt for established companies with a solid market presence and a good reputation. Proximity to a physical branch might matter, especially if you intend to purchase in person or anonymously if that's an option in your country. Adequate product availability is important given the short-term price fluctuations of gold and silver. A trustworthy dealer should also be prepared to repurchase metals from you in the future, educating confidence in their product and facilitating future sales. Turning to the secure storage of precious metals, discretion is paramount. It's wise not to publicize the possession of gold and silver, much like one wouldn't disclose having cash. There are various storage methods, starting from basic approaches like hiding gold in your home or garden. Though this entails risk and is suitable for smaller amounts, safes are an option but can be expensive. Bank safe deposit boxes are another choice but have their own risk and limitations. Professional companies specializing in precious metal storage services are advisable for substantial quantities, offering enhanced security and access. Lastly, it's important to note that this discussion doesn't constitute investment advice. Every investment carries risk, and each asset should be thoroughly understood before purchase. Consulting a specialist is recommended.